Hey there, fellow curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a mind-bending topic that's been turning heads in the tech world, quantum computing. Buckle up, because we're about to take a journey into the quantum realm. Before we dive into quantum computing, let's brush up on some basics. Quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that studies the smallest particles in the universe, like electrons and photons. It challenges our classical understanding of reality and introduces concepts like superposition and entanglement. Now, imagine harnessing the power of those quantum properties to revolutionize the way we compute. That's where quantum computing steps in. Unlike classical bits that can be either 0 or 1, quantum bits or qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to superposition. Superposition allows qubits to be both 0 and 1 at the same time, exponentially increasing computing possibilities. It's like having a computer that can process every combination of zeros and ones at once. Mind-blowing, right? But wait, it gets even crazier. Entanglement is another phenomenon where two qubits become interconnected in a way that the state of one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance between them. This phenomenon enables ultra-fast communication and complex calculations. Let's compare classical and quantum computing. Imagine solving a maze. Classical computers would go through each path one by one. Quantum computers would explore all paths at once, finding the solution exponentially faster for certain problems like cryptography and optimization. Quantum computing isn't just theoretical, it's already showing practical promise. Industries like pharmaceuticals are using it to simulate complex molecular interactions for drug development. And financial institutions are employing quantum computing to optimize investment portfolios. Of course, every rose has its thorns. Quantum computing faces challenges like maintaining qubit stability, minimizing errors, and developing suitable algorithms. Researchers worldwide are racing to overcome these obstacles. Remember when Google claimed to achieve quantum supremacy? It means their quantum computer performed a specific task faster than the world's best supercomputers could. This marked a significant milestone in quantum computing's evolution. The future of quantum computing is exhilarating. From revolutionizing cryptography to optimizing logistics, this technology could reshape how we approach complex problems and drive innovation in unimaginable ways. So there you have it, quantum enthusiasts. We've scratched the surface of this mind-bending field. If you're as intrigued as we are, stay tuned for more updates as quantum computing continues to unravel its mysteries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay connected with our curious community. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into quantum computing, check out our other videos on cutting-edge technologies and scientific discoveries. And as always, keep your curiosity burning bright. See you in the next video.